Mr. Abbott?
Yes, sir.
We're all ready for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Arthur Abbott.
Thank you very much.
I'll take you up, Mr. Abbott.
I'll do it.
The man is a rock star.
Hi.
Sorry I'm late. The Maggie thing took a little time, but it is over, finished, kaput. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm absolutely overwhelmed that I could climb those stairs. I came to Hollywood over 60 years ago and immediately fell in love with motion pictures. And it's a love affair that's lasted a lifetime. When I first arrived in Tinseltown, there were no cineplexes or multiplexes, no such thing as a Blockbuster or DVD. I was here before conglomerates owned the studios, before pictures had special effects teams, and definitely before box office results were reported like baseball scores on the nightly news.
It's so fantastic.
Iris,
Yes.
what are you doing New Year's Eve?
I'll be back in England by New Year's Eve.
You know, I've never been to England. I've never been to Europe.
No?
If I come over there, will you go out with me on New Year's Eve?